a really quick video, well, quickish anyway. As you can see behind me, the Barracuda has no seats. The seats that were in it when I bought it, well, they weren't Barracuda seats. They were pretty average, and they didn't sort of sit right. So I've taken them out, and now I've got some Auto Technica seats. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what they look like and how we're going to install them. So these were the seats that were in the Barracuda when I bought it. They're obviously not Barracuda seats. We don't even know what they are. And if you look here, they've got runners on top of runners, which explain why the seats really seem to sit high, and I couldn't fit my legs underneath the steering wheel. So this bit here, that's actually what I need, because that is the original Barracuda bracket down to the floor. So one side of the floor drops down, the other side's pretty level. So I'm going to try and get this bit off. Of course, it's all welded on and everything like that, but I got one off. I'll try and get the other one off now. Okay, so here we go. These are the seats I'm going to put in. They're from a company called Auto Technica. You can get these seats with the headrest, as I have, and also without the headrest, so you can have that bit that's not there. Gives you the idea. The reason I've gone with these is because a pair of these with the runners, oh man, off the top of my head, they're like $900 Australian. They are ADR approved. They're a pretty decent quality seat. I think they're the same if you guys are in the US as the Pro Kart or the Scat ones that you can buy. Same thing, like man, in the US they're like $500 a pair or something like that. So they look like they're going to be reasonably straightforward to install. Let's go and have a look. So basically, what the Barracuda has, so you can see here, this was the original runner, and you can see there's a spacer bracket on top. So here's one that I prepared earlier where I've already cut the old runner off. So how that sits, that now we drop that in there. So you can see, that's how it sort of sits. So this part, you've got the spacer on this side and basically the flat floor on this side. So we've worked out that if we mount the new sliders onto this, it's only going to have to drill 2 holes, and then when we get to this side, it looks like they're only slightly wider, maybe 10 or 15 mil further out. So then we can basically drill those holes, and we are more or less mounting the seats the same way the factory seat was mounted. So as far as we can tell, there'll be no issues with the way they're mounted with the engineer. They're in the original, more or less the original spots, the original mounting style, and that sort of thing. Let's stick a seat in there and see what it looks like. Hang on. So as you can see, that is more or less where it'll end up. They don't look too out of place. I did do some measurements and they were fairly close to original Barracuda seats. Now these do, I don't know if I'll be able to do it with holding the camera. So I'll recline them forward so you can see. Hang on 2 seconds. Okay, so there you go. So they do recline quite a way forward. I think there'll be plenty of room to get in the back, because obviously they do on the runners, they can go forward on that. But not a bad looking seat, quite good value. They've got a little pocket in the back. The trim's okay, you know, for a budget sort of seat setup. I reckon they're a good deal. So hang on, let me put it back into normal position and go. Have a look. What I'll do now is I'll get it all mounted. I'll drill the holes, and then I can possibly maybe tomorrow show you how they operate while Craig's here. But we can supply these seats. There is a couple of different options. Pretty good value seat. So if you're interested, get hold of us. We'll see if we can work it out for you.
So, yeah. Have I got you good side? Yeah. Okay. Action. Cut. That's it. Yeah. Edit that out. Edit all the. Can you edit all this talking out?
I think so.
Okay.
I'll get the camera face on.
Yes. Okay.
Right, so here we are. Seats are mounted. I've drilled the holes. I've put 2 nuts on and they're finger tight, so that should be good enough for everything.
Yeah, good enough for Redjo.
That's all the way back. That's all the way forward, so they've got quite a lot of travel.
And that's the runners that come with those seats.
Yeah, and then of course this is the best.
Look at that. You can't, what is it? You can't drive a house, but you can live in a car.
And the best bit, hang on, I'll get all the way out now. For access to the rear. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Enter through the rear. Yeah, they flip forward heaps.
So there's heaps of room to
heaps
get
of
into
room,
the back.
yeah.
And then, yep, back there. Ta-da!
Nice.
Job done.
Job done.
Now
See ya.
Do the other one.
Oh yeah.
Yes.